Shelving not only helps you to organize things precisely, but also provides ample space to store things in their appropriate place, right from books to heavy industrial products that will keep your home or office or warehouse free from clutter and unwanted items, and they will make it easier to find the things you need at the right time with minimum effort and stress. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs. In this video, we're going to look at these 5-tier shelving unit from Wanzhou Wangong Shelf Products. Hope I got that right. We're going to unbox, but most importantly, show how easy it is to assemble this shelf in just a few basic steps. Before we continue, a little about the Wanzhou Wangong shelves, or the GH shelves. At first I thought they would be light, flexible, bendable, and not very good material, but yes, I was wrong. It so happens that this company has been in the warehousing business for quite some time now, and these shelving units, even though light, are made from high quality materials and are a perfect solution for storage around the home, workshops, stores, offices, and even industries. So what's included in the box, or what's included in the package? Well, one, we've got 5 shelving units. Ten shelf beams, 5 for the front and 5 for the rear. 10 side beams, 5 on one side and 5 on the other side. 4 anti-skid rubber pads, or let's just say plastic feet, and 4 side rails. The shelf measures about 89 cm wide and 39 cm depth, which after assemble will reach 90 cm by 40 cm. The side rails measure 179 cm in height exactly, which will reach 180 cm after using the rubber pads. They are adjustable and have a high load capacity of roughly about 275 kilograms per shelf, so you can store a mix of large and small items. The coating is rust resistant, making for shelves that not only will last but also looks good wherever you set it up. And what I find most interesting is that they come in an easy to build kit, ready to assemble, no additional parts needed. The keyhole assembly system means no nuts or bolts. To get this shelf set up, all you might need as per tools is a rubber mallet to put the stack together more smoothly, but if you don't have any available, it isn't necessary. Before putting your shelf together, first we check to make sure we have everything at hand, or everything came in the box. The 4 side rails or columns, the side beams, 10 in total. These are the short ones, 5 for each side, and the front or rear shelf beams, 10 in total. These are the longer ones, 5 for each side. Start by organizing all your parts into groups to make assembly quicker and easier. First, lay out the 2 side rails on a flat surface with the keyholes facing this way. If you're wondering which is right or left or back or front, no worries, as they are all the same. No right, no left. But something to take into consideration is that you should not place the rails like this. If you do so, it's going to be facing out and there's no way to support the shelves. So back to where we started. First, organize all the parts into groups to make assembly quicker and easier. Lay out the 2 side rails on a flat surface like this with the keyholes as such to make it easy for the side beams to easily hook to the side rails. Insert the lower side beams as shown here in the video. Remember, no screws needed. Just make sure the connector pins are facing this way. One more thing is, there is a line on the side beam where the shelf is going to rest. Make sure it's facing the inside of the shelf. We now go and do the same on the other side. We're going to turn it around so that you can see how it locks. Depending on what you want, you can hook at any desired height, perhaps all the way down to take advantage of as much space as possible. In my case, I'm going to leave it here because now we're going to attach the rubber feet pads, which add stability to the racks and also helps provide protection from unnecessary scratches or damage to the floor during any movement. In case you decide to place the side beams here in the last key, you won't be able to use the rubber pads, nor will you be able to completely secure the beams, so it's preferably you leave at least the last keyhole free. Now we go to the top and secure that one too. So this side is ready, and we're going to proceed and set up the other side. Now we have a principal frame almost ready. After the two sides are ready, begin assembling the bottom shelf to help with getting the side rails for each shelf up the right way. Now that both lateral sides are almost ready, we place them vertically and join both frames with the shelf beam. We start with the front shelf beam. Remember to maintain the same height of the keyhole. Also, this line base or rest has to be facing the inside of the shelf so as to properly hold the panel. Once the front side is ready, we do the same for the back shelf beam. Now we're going to join both beams with the other base or the other frame. Now we go and do the same on the top. We join the two lateral frames with the front beam first, making sure that the connector pins are facing outward. Now we do the same on the other side, and the frame is almost ready. Next thing to do is to assemble the middle shelving, then add the rest of the shelves at your required heights. This shelf measures approximately 1.80 meters. If you want, you can count the total eye holes and then divide everything equally. But if not, you can divide according to the height of what you're going to store. From the bottom up, we locate one of the side beams, making sure that the connector pins are facing outward and the separator line where the shelf will rest is facing inward. We place it and secure it. We repeat the same steps until we complete all 5 tiers or levels. One of the advantages of this rack is that it is easy to correct any mistakes, but not only that, it also saves you a whole lot of time. The structure is already firm. The only thing left is to place the shelves. We can start from the top or down here at the bottom. We just need to make sure it's inside and resting on the internal lines. We do the same on each level until we complete everything. Sometimes you might have to help a little by applying a little more pressure inwards so that they enter perfectly. That's all. Our shelf is ready. So, if you're planning on getting one of these, don't let the packaging fool you when you get it. Neither the fact that it came from China. I thought I was going to be disappointed, but was totally surprised. Once I got it together, it became sturdy and it holds the shelf weight that was advertised. Besides, you can easily adjust height with no extra tools needed, and it is absolutely worth the price. Hope we've been helpful and I've given you enough information about how to assemble the 5-tier shelving unit from GH Shelves, or any racking shelf for that matter. I appreciate your time on this channel. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions or if you already have some experiences you might want to share, leave them below in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.